What is economics? The word economics comes from the Greek word oikonomos. Oikonomos comes from the words oikos and nomein, which mean manage and household. Economics is the science of managing resources. Why do we need this science? Due to the problem of scarcity. Humans have unlimited wants, but limited resources to satisfy those wants. Limited resources that are used to satisfy those wants are also known as factors of production. Our factors of production include land, which is the natural resources, labor, the manpower, and capital, which is everything else used to produce. All these factors of production are limited. To satisfy unlimited wants with these resources, people work and consume in different ways in order to get maximum satisfaction. Economics studies that behavior. In economics terms, people manage resources to produce products which they will consume. Since the demand and supply is not equal, we have to make some choices. Economics helps us make the best choices. How to decrease demand and increase supply to balance the demand and supply. Economics studies that behavior from two different perspectives. First perspective is macroeconomics. The second is microeconomics. Macroeconomics is concerned with balancing aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Microeconomics is concerned with balancing specific demand for specific products and supply for specific products.